So I ordered some stuff online, and well, my coworker wanted to see it, so I had to open it. So I have my name on it, and what I ordered was a phone case, but this case a little too big for my phone, so I'll have to sell it. I also ordered, these are some laundry sheets. I want to try it, right? I want to try this one specific. This is the laundry stain block, meaning that if you put whites with your colors, your white clothes will remain white. So this will absorb all the dirt, so the dirt doesn't make it look black, right? I ordered, this is another type, right? Color, fabric color. So if you have red with your clothing and you don't want it to dye your clothing or anything, you use one of these, right? These is two different brands, so I just bought, I think I bought two of them, right? And I also ordered laundry sheets. These sheets, you take out one of these sheets and you just put it under water and it becomes soapy, right? So I ordered two of that, but one from a different brand. What I didn't see, there's the other one. There's the other brand. But this one's sealed, so I wouldn't be using this. But I'll use this one. And I think the last time when I bought it, it had a Ziploc bag. So I will see if I still have the Ziploc bag. I ordered from Scent Boosters, right? If I could open it. I don't have my tripod, so I can't try my best to open it with one hand. So it came today in the mail. The driver delivered it today. What detail is this for? This thing ain't opening. I'm trying to open it. Alright, hold on. These are the boosters, right? So you burst in the pack and you throw in this in your clothes, right? And I think it has 30 pieces, I believe. I'll check it and see how many pieces it have, but this is what you're getting, right? And this here is my hydrogel for my phone screen, because I want to take off the one I have, because around the rim by the camera there, it gets dirty. So I want to take it off. I may go to the phone store, let them take it off and put on this one for me. I think so. This is how it comes. It has the hydrogel, all the things to clean and wipe, like wet and dry to wipe. I mean, they give you a lot, boy. And I guess this is to put it on so you don't get bubbles. So I didn't expect them to give me the whole kit, but I'm thankful and grateful, right? So they say watch the film before you put it on. So I order a couple, so I have that, right? So I have two hydrogel screen protectors. So yeah, that's my haul. I ordered some other stuff, but it wouldn't be coming so soon. So when that comes, I'll do a haul with that.